This is Muhammad Zahid with Engineering Training Platform. From this training platform, you will able to learn step-by-step PLC and to get high score in interview and certification. Hello friends, in this presentation I am going to discuss about the types of Siemens PLC, which are S7300, S7400, S71200 and S71500, including with Simatic ET200 with integrated CPU. I will describe each of one in details, and also for my previous video I already link in below description. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the further notification. You can see the model number with their pictures. I hope it will be understand and easy to be clarified. This Simatic S7300 model and this Simatic S7400, this Simatic S71200 PLC with the compact type. This center, this is the CPU. On your right, this is signal modules, and on your left, this is the communication modules. S7 1500, this is advanced technology with the advanced features and configuration. Simatic modular PLC are using for control tasks to meet the application requirements by adding modules for power, input outputs, communication and special functions. You can see in the picture Simatic S7 300 PLC, Simatic S7 400, Simatic S7 1200 and S7 1500, and this is Simatic ET200S with integrated CPU and Simatic ET200 Pro with CPU. Each PLC have variety of configuration functions and many options available. Now I will share the information about Simatic S7 300 PLC. Simatic S7 300 PLC have a space-saving modular design. S7 300 CPUs are available in standard, compact C, fail-safe F and technology T version. Standard S7 CPU range from CPU-312 designed for entry-level application and CPU 319-3P and DP designed for high performance range. Some standard CPU such as CPU 315-2P and DP shown in the picture with integrated Profibus and Profinet DP port. You can see here the picture for Simatic S7 300, and these are the ports for Profinet and Profibus. I already explained in my previous lecture. Then Profinet cables color code is green, and for the Profibus color code is purple, and these are the identification for the ports for the Profinet and for the Profibus. Here you can see the memory card, and here for the mounting rail where we are going to install the power modules, input output modules, communication modules and special purpose of modules. S7 300 compact CPU shown here have on-board IOs and technology functions. The specific technology functions included depend on the CPU model, but high speed counting and pulse generation, for example, of a function included in all models. S7 300 fail-safe CPU are used in application where it is essential to guarantee the functional safety of machines or plants. They satisfy maximum safety requirement and comply with the relevant international standard. S7 300 technology CPUs have built-in features for motion control application. Now friends, we will discuss about Simatic S7 400 PLC. S7400 PLCs have high processing speeds and are especially suitable for data-intensive tasks such as coordinating overall plants and controlling lower-level systems. S7400 CPUs are available in standard, fail-safe AF, and high availability H version. Standard S7400 CPU range from CPU 412-1 in a medium performance range and CPU 417-4 which is designed for high performance range. As shown in the picture, S7400 CPU installed in the rack with other modules. This is CPU 414-2 and then these are the racks. Okay, some racks already installed. Again, this the empty racks where you can install the IOS modules, communication modules, or as per the requirement you can install here. That's why this keep empty for your understanding. This is for these for the racks and this is the modules there where you are going to install. S7400 fail-safe CPU including CPU 416F-3 shown in the picture are used in application where it is essential to guarantee the functional safety of machines or plant. S7400 high availability CPU incorporate or early fault detection features and diagnostic capabilities, and CPU redundancy that minimum the probability of the system failure. In the event of the CPU failure, the redundant CPU takes over the process. You can see here in the picture CPU 416F-3. These are the place for the memory card, and here this is the port for MPI DP port. This is for the programming device. Whenever you are going to program the device, these are the port for the HMI or Profibus DP. These are the Profibus DP port, and these tools are available in 416F-3 two ports of the Profinet. We will discuss about Simatic S7-1200 PLC. S7-1200 CPU model incorporate in compact housing and integrated power supply, onboard digital input and output circuit, onboard analog input circuit, one or two built-in Profinet ports, and high-speed motion control IOs, signal board, battery boards, and communication board can be added to the CPU without affecting the size of the CPU. Simatic S7-1200 PLC have a compact configuration and can be used in a wide variety of applications. S7-1200 CPU models range from CPU 1211C to CPU 1217C. Here in the picture, the example for the CPU 1215C, these are the access door for the input terminal plus for memory card slots. These are the access door for the output. When you are going to open this access door, you can see behind the output connection. These are the signal boards, communication boards, and battery boards. And here is the available for the Profinet port behind of the access door. When additional IOs is required beyond what is available on board, and with the additional of a signal board, S7-1200 CPU, except CPU 1211C, allow signal modules to be mounted to the right. All CPU can be equipped with up to 3 communication modules mounted to the left of the CPU. CPU 1212C permit 2 additional signal modules, and rest of other CPU permit additional 8 signal modules. All CPU at least one built-in Profinet port, and CPU 1215 and 1217 have 2 Profinet ports. You can see here in the picture the CPU installed in the center, and left on the CPU there is a communication module placed, and for the right of the CPU here we are going to install the signal modules. All A7-1200 modules have built-in clips that allow easy and convenient mounting on a standard DIN rail. Signal modules have a bus connectors on the front. Once a module is in place, the bus connector is moved to the left to allow the module to communicate with the CPU. Here you can see in the picture, these are the DIN rail where you are going to install the modules, and these are the bus connectors. Whenever you are position move from left to right, then it will allow you to connect with the DIN rail. And for the communication, these are the bus connectors. When you are moving on the left, these bus connectors, then it will allow to your modules to communicate with the CPU. Now we will discuss about SIMATIC S7-1500 PLC. SIMATIC S7-1500 PLC provide extremely fast response time for optimal control quality and the highest system performance. SIMATIC S7-1500 CPUs are available in standard and fail-safe F version. S7-1500 standard CPU range from CPU 1511-1PN for a small and medium-sized application, and 1518-4PN DP more demanding requirement. S7-1500 PLC have a scalable configuration that incorporates a CPU, at least one system power supply module, multiple signal modules and other modules as required, and mounting rail can be extended up to 32 modules. Here in the picture you can see the example for S7-1500 PLC with model of CPU 1516 3P and DP. These are the display for the CPU, and these are the mounting rail where you are going to connect more modules up to 32, including the highest performance range, Profinet IRT communication, easy for advanced motion control applications. In addition, some CPU also have one or two built-in Profibus DP port. When additional Profibus or Profinet port required or point-to-point communication needed, then optional communication modules are available. All S7-1500 CPU models features an attached display for commissioning and diagnostic and have built-in Profinet ports that permit the full range of Profinet communication. S7-1500 fail-safe CPU are used in application where it is essential to guarantee the functional safety of machines or plants. Here you can see the example of CPU 1516-3P and DP. This is with display. If you are going to remove the display, you can see the ports. These are the Profinet ports. There are two ports for the Profinets. These are the Profibus DP port, and these are the memory cards. Now friends, we will discuss about SIMATIC ET200 with integrated CPU. Using a distributed I/O station with an integrated CPU, relieve a central PLC with some control task, and allow a central PLC to run a shorter simple program. And same time it is improve the system performance by reducing the response time for the distributed I/O station and properly designed. This approach can also be simplified the troubleshooting. SIMATIC ET200S is a multifunctional high modular compact I/O system. It is used in condition of high mechanical stress. Interface modules for this system is standard and fail-safe designs are available with or without an integrated CPU. Interface modules with integrated CPU can be used both with standalone mode and for distributed automation solution with medium-sized program, and depending upon the version as Profibus DP and or Profinet port available. Symantec ET200 Pro is a small and high performance I/O system with IP65, IP66 or IP67 protection. It does not require a control cabinet and can be mounted directly on the machine. Interface modules for this system are available in standard and fail-safe designs with or without an integrated CPU. Integrated CPU based on S7300 CPU 3152P and DP is compatible with S7300 program and has Profinet and Profibus DP port. I hope you enjoy and understand the topic. I'm trying my best to provide you easy and all modules in one platform. Then no need to search or go through with additional materials to find the same topic. Really, I appreciated your support, cooperation, and positive feedback.